Imagine lying in bed tonight, trying to fall asleep. You think it's just you and your pillow, right? But in reality, your body is alive with activity. Inside your gut, your mouth, even across your skin, billions of tiny organisms are moving, fighting for space, surviving. And surprisingly, some of them may be deciding how well you'll sleep tonight. Yes, the secret to a good night's sleep might not just be a comfortable mattress or warm blanket. It could be the bacteria living inside you. Scientists have started to uncover something astonishing. The community of microbes inside our bodies, the bacteria, viruses, and fungi we often call the microbiome, may be influencing the way we rest. Depending on which microbes dominate in your gut or mouth, your sleep can either improve or fall apart. And this discovery is opening new doors to treat sleep problems that millions of people face every night. For years, experts believed that sleep disorders only affected the microbiome, but now they suspect the relationship goes both ways. If your sleep gets disrupted, it can weaken your immune system, which then throws your microbial balance into chaos. But in some cases, it may actually start the other way around. An unbalanced microbiome could cause the sleep issues in the first place. Think about it. Certain bacteria may be able to shift your internal body clock, what scientists call circadian rhythms, and even change how your body processes food. And when that happens, your sleep quality shifts as well. Some of the most fascinating evidence comes from experiments with mice. In one recent study, scientists took gut microbes from humans suffering from insomnia and jet lag, then transplanted them into mice. What happened next was chilling. The mice began showing insomnia-like behaviors. They stayed awake during hours they would normally be asleep, almost as if they had inherited the sleep problems of their human donors. In another case, mice given gut microbes during jet lag gained weight and lost control over their blood sugar. It was as if the microbes themselves were pushing the body off balance. Early research in humans suggests that fecal transplants, transferring healthy gut microbes from one person to another, might improve sleep for patients with chronic insomnia. Though scientists caution that psychological factors may also play a role, the potential here is huge. But the microbiome doesn't just come from transplants. Your everyday choices matter too. Diet, for example, has a direct link to sleep. In one experiment, when healthy young men consumed a diet high in fat and sugar for just 1 week, their deep sleep brain patterns changed. In another small study, antibiotics disrupted an essential part of sleep, known as non-REM, which is when the body repairs itself and locks new memories in place. This all ties back to one critical fact. Our microbes are chemical factories. They produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, the very chemicals your brain needs to relax and drift into deep sleep. When those good microbes decrease, their soothing chemicals also fade, and worse, harmful microbes can rise up, creating inflammatory molecules that disrupt your brain's sleep signals. The same story is playing out in the mouth. Poor dental health and bad diets allow harmful microbes to grow, leading to inflammation. And inflammation can narrow airways, release stress hormones, and cause disorders like obstructive sleep apnea, where people struggle to breathe normally at night. Scientists are looking at probiotics and prebiotics as a possible solution. Imagine treating insomnia not with sleeping pills, but with carefully chosen strains of bacteria. In one study, medical students under heavy stress took a probiotic called Lactobacillus casei shirota. Compared to students who didn't take it, their sleep actually improved. Another large trial in the UK, called the Biomi study, tested prebiotic blends made from over 30 different foods, from baobab fruit to lion's mane mushroom. The results were promising. Participants who took the prebiotics reported better sleep than those who didn't. Of course, researchers like Jennifer Martin from UCLA urge caution. She points out that proven treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy and medications already exist, and probiotics are still experimental. But she's also intrigued, especially for people who don't respond to existing therapies. What if probiotics could help those with mild sleep apnea? Or people with insomnia who don't want to take sedatives? The truth is, our society is full of sleep disruption, from jet lag, late-night jobs, to the constant glow of our screens. If microbes truly play a role in regulating our body clocks, then unlocking this mystery could change how millions of people sleep. So tonight, when you close your eyes, remember, you're not sleeping alone. Your microbes are right there with you, and one day they might hold the key to your best sleep ever.